Hey guys, Chris here. Hopefully you guys have a subwoofer audio system you can actually hear the low notes. I'm working on fine-tuning this box. I'm using a cheap amplifier. Doesn't have a subwoofer amplifier on it, but I just got a new airtight seal on the lid so it's all rattle-free. All right, you really need to listen in on this. I'll do a more comprehensive video on this later. I got the bass port tuned in the back using some Schedule 40 PVC piping material, and man, I got to tune it. I don't know what it's tuned to, but it really is low. This is with just like a little 15 watt times 2 amplifier. I've got a Lepi 2.1 amp. I'm going to be putting that in probably Monday. And I also have some Rockford Fosgate coaxials going here with a baffle so I don't have blow by. Got a dual battery system in there, VMAX charge tank, 10 amp hour each, Blue Sea Systems fuse block, THHN rated wires, no audio enhancement on this at all. It's all flat, no bass boost, nothing, just the YouTube video that I'm playing through here. Sounds real good. I can't wait to get this thing tuned up perfectly. Alright guys, the trick today I'll show you later when I do a more comprehensive video on this is that airtight sealed gaskets around here. Before I had a little bit of blow by here in the corners and that handle rattled. Now all gone. You physically have to, I'll show you. Yeah. Hear the difference? This seal here is the trick. And before, I was getting a little bit of chatter rattle here and a little bit of blow by on the side here. Now when you shut it, you have to push it down and push that thing in there like that. Nice and tight. And I'll do a more in-depth video on this, but man, these are cheap sealed back Goldwood mid-ranges. They sound like crap. That's why I'm going to go with the Rockford Fosgate 2-way. They're really rated highly on reviews. So, and I got this rattle free here, metal. So, got all the tricks in there. Going to have USB. I'm charging my phone right now. SAE. I'm charging with the battery tether junior. So, all right, guys. And I'm Bluetoothing. So, there you have it. Fun.